This actually is my first time seeing an insert that I would consider repurchasing this. Hello everyone, bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new, what is up? Today, as you can see, I'm finally sitting here with another cloth and paper sub box. The box got a little messed up, got a little excited opening it, I guess. So this is going to be the sub box that we received in April. I know it's late. What else is new for me? But you guys know I love sharing my thoughts with you, so I still wanted to open it up with you and put everything together and see what it looks like and give you my thoughts on all of the items from this box. First thing I noticed was, is this a new sticker? I don't think they've had this sticker on there like that before, but I do really like it. It's little things like that I do notice. So I've already looked at everything, to be honest with you. It's really just gonna be kind of like my thoughts. I haven't opened everything and like fully looked at it, but I've obviously taken a look at it. It's already open. We'll just get everything out of here and lose the box. Here is everything. I do have 2 of these cards. I think my mom maybe gave me hers. I'm not exactly sure. Can this focus? But I do really love these cards. I love that they decided to do the information cards like this and make them look like little Polaroids. I think they're a lot easier to use as decor in your planners. And I love the little pop of color that they add in. And I just like seeing what the new picture is going to be. And then obviously you have all the information for everything on the back. So for today, since we're so late anyways, I think I'm just going to go in order and pick up everything as they have it in order. So again, this is the sub box we received in April, but it's items for June since they're always like a little bit ahead. And then the theme is travel routine. I've already looked at everything and I will tell you, I'm in love with like probably everything in it. First thing on here is the new Heights dashboard. So let's grab that and kind of move everything else out of the way. Here it is. It's unpunched because I get the half letter unpunched. So that way, if I want to use it with my disc bound system, I can do that because my work planner is a disc bound system. Or if I want to use rings, if I ever go back to using rings and I use A5 or half letter, I can hole punch it for that. I just keep it unpunched until I decide where I want to use it. But I am kind of thinking I am going to hole punch this with my Happy Planner hole punch and put it in my work planner, which is disc bound. But I just like having the option, and my mom gets A5, so I don't want the exact same one as her, even though it's very similar. New Heights dashboard, half letter unpunched. Super pretty already. Let's just get this open. Oh my god, can I get it out? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, it comes with stickers, and for some reason I can't get them out, but I don't think I'm going to put them on my dashboard. I do think they're really cool, and because it's meant to look like, I don't even know the brand. Rimowa? Is it Rimowa? Suitcases, and then you can put all these stickers on it. Maybe I'll put like one. I don't know. I can't decide. But yeah, here's all the stickers. I think they're so cool. I think that was such a nice idea that you can add little stickers kind of like an actual suitcase, and I do like all of the stickers. That one's cute. Then like I said, here's the dashboard, and it already has a sticker on it. You know, though, I don't really like reflective stuff, only like when it comes to like filming stuff, but this one I do really, really like because like, see, I'm already like trying to avoid everything in the reflection, but this one already has a sticker on there. Yeah, it's a sticker, so I probably will add this to my work planner. I'm just gonna lower this a bit since everything else is gonna be about this size anyway. So there's that, and with the stickers. Checklist inserts is inside this little pouch of stuff. Let's see, I got 2 little cards, so we'll just put that there. Oh, I love them. I haven't actually looked at these because I didn't take them out of the packaging. I already love them because they're so minimal. You can really do whatever you want with them, and I'm a list person. I love making lists. Again, I will probably put this straight away in my work planner because it's just going to be perfect. I can kind of section it off for whatever I need it for and then make a list. I probably will hole punch it myself for my disc bound system, which is half letter. There's just the back, but these are so perfect. Here, I'll take maybe a few out since I'm going to put it in my planner anyway. And I don't hole punch all of them at one time. Obviously, I just hole punch the ones that I'm going to use. These. I love it. Very minimal. There's no title or anything. I love that. I will use these so much. Actually, this actually is my first time seeing an insert that I would consider repurchasing this just to have like all the time. Very, very nice. I'm going to keep these 2 pages out for sure so that I can hole punch them and put them in my work planner. Sorry, I know my desk is so messy. This is why I shouldn't have gotten a white mat, but it is what it is. I need to take a magic eraser to it. Clear vinyl planner, travel refillable notebook cover. So I'm pretty sure it's this. And again, love the packaging. It's in an eco-friendly material bag so that it's biodegradable. Love to see it. I love all of the branding that they still have all over this. So let's, and it feels weirdly nice. It's like soft. Oh, I love it already. I don't know why I'm such a sucker for like clear stuff. This is nice. So you get like the little bungee strap around it. Oops. I love the metal accent here to hold the string. That. And then it does have a pocket just on the front. Why does it seem, it's so thick though? It seems like it would allow you to have like a cover image, like put like paper in there just because of how thick it is, but it's not. And you do have a pen loop, which I think is really, really nice. So I'm excited. We are definitely gonna put this together. The Travel Notebook Pocket Plus Weekly. Is that this? Again, in the biodegradable packaging. Love to see it. But I'm actually going to keep this one, so I don't want to rip it up too much because I press flowers like all the time. These are like the perfect material to keep them in. Oh, it's so nice. I love these. Beautiful. Love the foiling on there. Oh yeah, this is the weekly Hobonichi style. I love the color. I love the material of it. It's so nice. Notebook belongs to, oh, it's nice. And for travel, I think this is perfect. It's like just enough, you know, but still plain enough where you can do like whatever you want with it. You can make lists. You guys know I'm just a list person. And then having all this blank space on the other side is really, really nice. So, and this will tuck into the cover. I don't even know how to pronounce this word. Aether Lounge. Oh, but I love how it feels. And I love the little stitching on the side actually. Ooh, so here's the stickers. Aether Travel Sticker Book Pocket Plus. But you know, I love stickers. These are so nice. And I love that it literally looks like the like screen or whatever from the airport. Gotta love that. I love the little icons. And I love the colorway of them too. Long time block sidebar sticky notes. I cannot get anything open today. It already feels so nice. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. There's so many in there too. Love the blue, and I love sticky notes, and I think this is perfect. You can really use this any type of way too. So it's definitely obviously time blocked, but you could use it again as a list. It does have a little bit of a strong like glue smell, I think maybe from like whatever adhesive they use, but I love that it's very minimal. You can kind of do whatever you want with this if you want to use it like they're saying to as a time block or like a list. You get so many on here, which I think is amazing, because a lot of times that's like my complaint with stuff from Cloth and Paper, especially their sticky notes. It's like they just don't give a lot, but this is really, really nice, and I love the type on there. Beautifully done. Index page flags. Love me a page flag. So here they are again in the biodegradable paper. I can already tell I love the colors. I love just like a little hint of color, but also, if you guys know, my favorite colors are green and blue. And I'm really specific though about the green and blue. Jeez, whatever sticky they're using, it's like very sticky. Oh, I love them. This is like the perfect green. Perfection. And obviously it matches everything perfectly. It matches the type that's on here and even the little stickers in the book. This is like a really nice navy and then the brown. I'm not sure if my lighting is really doing the colors justice right now. It's a little bit gloomy out today, but I love. And then you do get a good amount. You get 50 on each, but it's like, who's really using Are you running through all of these? I actually want to put this style of page flags in my shopping list notebook that I use, which I still need to show you guys. It's a cloth and paper notebook. And I think I want to use these to like kind of divide it up a bit. The luggage tag card set. Again, I love. It's almost sad to me to have to like take it out of the packaging because like I love how they even put this on here. It's just so cool. This is like perfect presentation. I think they did an amazing job with even just this. This is luxury, okay? It's just like a whole experience to where I don't want to throw any piece of it away, but obviously I'm going to throw the plastic away. But like, look at that. It's so nice. And then let's open it up. It's like still on the plastic, and you get the card that you can obviously use to decorate your planner or whatever with. And then you also get this, which I have seen some people add this to like their bags, their purses, or your suitcase, obviously. That, oh my gosh, it's so nice. Simple. I think you can actually get a little sticker and put like your name or whatever, your information on there for your suitcase, your luggage, if you do put it on there. Onward and upward. I love this so much. Now I can see actually why people put this on their bag, because I want to put it on my bag too. And then obviously the decor card is really, really nice. I love the extra touch of actually putting, I think they're called grommets. Are they grommets? I could be lying. Extra touch. Beautiful. I'm not sure if it's going to scratch up your planner, so you might want to be careful about where you put it decorating your planner, but beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I have the June pocket calendar, which is right here. And I've said it before, again, I love these. I do actually use them. I put them in the very front of my work planner in the little pocket. So I do decorate with these. And I use usually like a clear sticky note to kind of highlight the week that we're in. And then I'll just put like any notes or whatever that I have here. But I love them. I love the material, like whatever cardstock they used. I love it. I love this little indent. And it's just simple and plain. And it's a good color. If it was like more of a yellow paper, I probably would hate it. I think it's just the perfect color. They're so good. Lastly though, we have the pen set. Again, in this nice, I think it's biodegradable too, this little thing. Mark making essentials for sketches, plans, and stories unfolded cloth and paper. That's so cute. And then, yeah, it's the biodegradable. Again, you've got 2 pens. And I still think it's kind of weird that lately they've been including so many blue pens. I think it's weird, obviously, but I'm not going to complain because blue is one of my favorite colors, right? So can't complain. I do have these collection pens, but I'm not sure if I have this exact color. I might already. These Zebra Sarasa clips are some of my favorite pens in any size. 0.5, 0.7, doesn't matter. And then obviously blue is perfect. I don't even need to test out this pen. I know it's super good. Honeyball is another brand of pens I do actually really like. I'm not sure if I've tried this one specifically though. This one is black ink and it's a 0.8, so it's kind of large. This might be a pen that I would use to like make titles or whatever, my planner and stuff like that. So like if I had to put like Monday. Okay, it's nice. Ink needs to run through it some. I like how thick it is though. And this grip, oh, this grip is actually really nice. Don't mind my nails. It's got like texture to it. Okay, this is nice. Black ink, can't go wrong. Uniball Vision Elite. That is everything from the box. Here's everything from the box. And honestly, as a whole box, I love it. I think everything goes together so perfectly. I think they did such a great job with all of the individual items, but my favorite things have to definitely be this book, which we are going to put together now. Not so much these, even though I do love these cards, you guys know. And the pens I honestly probably could have done without. I do really like them. I'm gonna take out the dashboard only because it's reflective. You guys know that kind of bothers me only for the purpose of like trying to take videos and pictures. It's just annoying to me. But I think these for the most part are my favorite items out of this box. So definitely the inserts. I cannot wait to hole punch these and put them into my work planner. And obviously this entire little set of this little book, which we're going to put together really quick. And I think this is so adorable. Obviously the page flags are great, and the little decor journaling card, but out of everything I think this is like top, definitely top. The inserts are amazing. We're gonna put this together right now because I want to see it. I think this is supposed to fit inside of here, right? find the middle. There's how many straps in here? Oh, there's a lot. Oh, wow. I didn't notice just how many like strings they put in here. I don't really know how I'm supposed to do this. I'm not the best with like, are these traveler notebook basically? I think the little stickers I would want on the back maybe. Where's the middle? Oh, I'm looking at it. They gave us a lot of stickers on here too. Oh, the string is not attached. I don't really like using that string because it has the little clasp part. Can I not break this, please? And I want to have the like green show through. It's more like a mint. Super pretty. Is this meant to go here though? But I almost want this pocket thing to be in the back so that I can do that and have this in the back. Would that be weird? I feel like it might be kind of weird actually. Was it meant to go in there like that? I just don't want this to be the front, you know? I want the green. Now I have this pocket here. Can I flip it and make this the front, or is that weird? Because then the cloth and paper is going to be there but upside down. I didn't even notice that when I was looking at it at first. Sorry if it was out of focus that whole time. You can see my reflection of like my windows and everything, but it has cloth paper on there. Is that going to bother me? I kind of want to be able to slide these in, but I guess they're also going to be upside down, huh? Aw, that kind of sucks. I wish then that there was that on the back. But either way, love this. And there's it all together. Oh my gosh, I love it. This might give my current shopping list notebook thing that I have a run for its money because I kind of want to switch to this now. Oh, it's so nice. Now, if I was really traveling, this is definitely what I would want to take. And then watch, I'm going to find some reason to put it in my work bag, but I love it. So that is everything then from this month's cloth and paper sub box, even though it was super, super late. I know. What is new? So those are all my thoughts on the sub box. Let me know what you guys thought was your favorite item and just your overall thoughts of the box. You guys agree with me or not? Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and hit the little bell notification so YouTube can actually let you know when I do post my videos. But muchísimas gracias for watching este video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.